This is 100% newbie friendly and you're going to love this video, my friend. So before I dive into this, go to youtube.com, type in my channel name, which is Clickbank Success, and you're going to see this red button here. Click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button as well, and this will allow you to be notified whenever I come up with a new video. Right now I am uploading a new video every couple of days, and you want to and if you want to get notified and you love my videos, you love my channel, you need to subscribe to my channel. There's a red button like this below this video as well. You could click on that red button and subscribe to my channel, but if you don't see that red button, just go to youtube.com, type in Clickbank Success, and you're going to see my channel name here. Okay, and by the way, if you're really interested in working with me, you want to see the exact program I use to drive traffic, to drive sales and conversions, and you also want to make multiple six figures a month online, and you want access to a complete done for you online money machine, then you could just click the link below this video in the descriptions. You're going to see the links like this here. Okay, you could just click on those links and you will able to participate in the same system I have been using, that's changing thousands of people's lives and also taking the internet by storm. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a heads up for this, because so many people are saying that, oh, we would like to be a part of your team, we would like to be with you, seeing you what you do in your business. So if you want to see what I do in my business, how I drive traffic, and you want a complete overview training, 100% training on free traffic, paid traffic, systems, programs, and affiliate networks, then just click the link below this video in the description. It's going to be like this where the date is, and there's going to be links, so you could click on that link and you will be able to find more information on what I do and how I do my business. Okay, so let's dive into this. Okay, we're going to talk about how to promote Clickbank products without a website. Now, when it comes to Clickbank promotion, there's two ways to promote a Clickbank product. Okay, one is YouTube traffic. One is free traffic, one is paid traffic. Okay, in this specific video we're going to talk about paid traffic, because with paid traffic you could actually go out there and you could start to scale your business and start making money instantly. Okay, there are so many people who's never made a dime on Clickbank, but when they started to do paid traffic following my training, they made their first sale within 24 hours. Okay, I could remember when I got started with Clickbank, it took me 1 year and 8 months to make my first sale. I was struggling. I was jumping from one product to another product to another product to another product, frustrated, overwhelmed, overloaded with information. I was in debt. I was stressed. I was depressed. I just didn't know what to do. I didn't even know what traffic meant, and I was clueless. I was about to give up. And when I saw my first sale, I said, wow, this works, so I'm going to keep on doing it. Okay, so once you know how to drive traffic, everything will be sorted for you. So let's just dive into this training. Okay, now if you don't know what Clickbank is, I'll give you a shortcut. Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace where you could promote information products, over 20,000 digital products online. Okay, they pay you 50 to 75% commission. Your payment goes straight into your bank account every 2 weeks, and you could go to the Clickbank marketplace and choose a product from here. Okay, this is just this is the shortcut definition of Clickbank. Now let's say you want to promote a product. Okay, so normally what people will do, they will just come to the affiliate marketplace and they will say, wow, this is going to pay me $168.87. So they will just click on promote and they will get the link and they will start driving traffic. And some people, they make money, some people don't. You know why people don't make money? Because they haven't gone through the analysis. Okay, you need to go through the analysis of the product. So let me explain, what do I mean by that. Okay, you just don't look at the commission. First of all, you want to sort this out by gravity. Very, very important. Okay, so you want to see something which is above 20. Okay, so if you go down, let's go back to that same product that we saw. Okay, these are some very, very good products down here. Got some very good gravity. The higher the gravity, the more better. Okay, because it means that there's more money to be made and there's more competition. So look at this. We were looking at this product called the CB University. 30% gravity, which means how many successful affiliates got paid in the last 30 days promoting this product. So you want to look at gravity, don't just look at commissions, okay? Now, that doesn't mean that if the gravity is like 2, it doesn't convert, because sometimes a 2 gravity will convert much better than a product that's got a gravity of 200. And the reason is that no one's promoting it. There's no competition out there. So people, you could crush it, okay? It's all about testing. You need to test. Now, before deciding to drive traffic to this specific Clickbank product, okay, there's one thing that you need to do, and that is you need to find out which country the traffic is coming from, okay? Which country is sending the most traffic to this product, okay? If you could find this out, boom, you could target that specific traffic and start getting conversions from day one. Normally what will happen is when you create a paid traffic campaign, you will target international because it is an international product. So you're going to target United States, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, Indonesia, Malaysia, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Russia, China, Barbados, Dominican Republic, Sri Lanka, Saudi Arabia, Turkey. You're going to target all the countries. And at the end, you're going to end up spending so much money with no conversion. And the reason is because every country conversion doesn't work equal. Some countries work better than the other one. So what about if we have a tool and a software that we could find out exactly which traffic is converting the best with this specific product? So there you go. This is what I want to explain to you, my friend, okay? So let's dive into this, okay? So it's called a CB University. So you want to go to a website called similarweb.com, okay? Similarweb.com. So what we're going to do, we're just going to copy this link here. Not the whole link, just this much, okay? And we're going to find out where the traffic is coming from. So what we're going to do, we're going to type it in here and we're going to hit enter and let's see what this website has to offer to us. There you go, okay? We could see it's giving me some analysis about the traffic that's coming to Clickbank University. Global rank is 252,000. United States rank is 135,000. This is according to the traffic. The most traffic website on the internet, according to United States, it comes to 135,000. Category rank is 13,000. Okay, traffic overview. Okay, so you could see that. Let me show you. Okay, total overview. Okay, this is all traffic combined, desktop, mobile, in the last 6 months. 291,000 people visited this website. Okay, page per visit 1.19, bounce rate is 84%. That is probably because most of the affiliates send untargeted traffic. Obviously, CB University is all about make money online, and if you're going to send traffic, if you're going to send a visitor who's interested in weight loss, what do you expect he's going to do? As soon as he visits the page, he's gonna delete that page straight away because this is not something he's interested in. And so many people drive traffic using pop-unders and pop-ups, okay, which is called CPV traffic, okay, cost per view traffic. And those type of traffic is quite cheap, okay, it's affordable for everyone. You could get traffic for 0.001 pence, something like that. And most of the times, like 90% of that traffic will bounce because people don't like that traffic. It just pops up from nowhere. Okay, you don't want to do that. You're disturbing the viewer who's surfing a website, who's surfing any kind of internet web. Okay, so you don't want to do that. So that's the reason why it's got a very big bounce rate. But let's go down and look at this, my friend. This is desktop traffic. Most of the visitors are coming from United States. What does that tell you? That when you create a paid traffic campaign for this product, you definitely want to target United States because that's where the conversions are coming from. Okay. Second is Brazil. Did you even think that Brazil will be doing good for this product? Huh? Normally, we will just target United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. That's it. Okay, we go for the top tier country, which is good. Okay, it's all okay. But down here, we're getting to see that most of the traffic is coming from United States, then it's Brazil, then it's India, then it's Argentina, then it's United Kingdom, and then you can see more and more and more. I highly recommend you start off with United States. Once you start setting conversions, you start making some money, then you want to target Brazil, then you want to target India, then you want to target Argentina. Now, whenever you create a paid traffic campaign, United States is going to be the most expensive traffic, because I know I have campaigns, I've created campaigns on several paid traffic networks, and United States is always the expensive traffic country. Okay, Brazil has to be very cheap. India definitely has to be cheap, and Argentina has to be cheap as well. Okay, so this is how you find out. It gives you more information if you scroll down. As you can see here, people are doing direct traffic on desktop. This could be probably SEO. No, it's not. It's not SEO. It's direct traffic. Referrals, okay, 86%. These are the affiliates. Okay, social search traffic, SEO, social traffic, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn. Okay, social mail, which is email traffic, and display, which is banner advertising, is 15.47%. If you scroll more down, you could see that referrals are not too much. Like you see in the gravity down here is only 30%, which means so many affiliates are not promoting this product for some reason. Okay, if you go down, 100% organic traffic. Okay, paid traffic not too much. Okay, this is how this is the type of keywords that when people type in is showing the product of CB University. All right, as you can see, social traffic, YouTube. Look at this, 64% of traffic to this website is coming from YouTube, which means if you create a video around this product, most likely you're going to get some sales. Facebook 21%, Twitter 5.79%, Pinterest and Instagram, and it goes on and on. Okay, display advertising, this means banner advertising. Okay, so it gives you the amount display advertising on, and it gives you the website names as well, where the display advertising is coming from. Okay, so it gives you more and more, and this is the entire category. So this is very interesting. Okay, some of the traffic networks that I'm about to show you will ask you what category does your website come into. So you want to select these categories because this is where the traffic is coming from. Okay, internet and telecom, internet, telecom, business and industry. Okay, so you got the idea here. Okay, so let's dive into this now. We've got the analysis. We could see that most of the traffic is coming from desktop. Okay, as you can see, desktop here, and it's from United States. So now what we need to do is we need to talk about the traffic networks. Okay. Anyway. So we need to talk about traffic. Okay. So the first traffic network that I recommend is called bidvertiser.com. Okay, bidvertiser.com. I've got a video on this. If you scroll through my channel, I go through the entire campaign process on how to create campaigns. All right, so if you go to Bidvertiser, you could get started with 0.5 cents per click. Okay, the traffic is quite cheap, and the traffic is very, very quality. You could target countries, and you could also target categories as well. Okay, I have used this traffic mostly for CPA offers, and I've done very good with CPA offers. I've also tested Clickbank offers, but in my opinion, with Clickbank, you want to drive traffic to a landing page first, then you want to drive traffic to a Clickbank offer, or you want to drive traffic to a $1 trial offer first. So what you could do is you could just select this $1 trial, and it's going to come up with all those products that lets their customer buy the product for $1 and then continue with it. Okay, Bidvertiser.com is a very, very good network. You could get started today with Bidvertiser, okay? If you just go to bidvertiser.com, okay? There's another traffic network that you could use, and this is taking the internet by storm, okay? You might want to check this out. It's called taboola.com, okay? Taboola.com. And with this traffic network as well, you could actually target countries. You could also target categories as well. You could see here, look at this, okay? 1 billion unique users monthly across mobile and desktop, premium publishers worldwide, 22,000, 400 billion content recommendations each month. Okay, taboola.com. You could give it a test drive. Okay, it's very, very easy to create a campaign. Every single part of it has a tutorial video explaining you exactly how to create your campaign. Okay, so first what you need to do before you start driving any kind of traffic, come to this website called similarweb.com, do some analysis, find out which traffic is converting, which country is converting the best with this. Then you might want to create a campaign. Now if you're just a beginner, you might want to choose from both of this one. If you go for Taboola, don't go for Bidvertiser. If you go for Bidvertiser, don't go for Taboola, because if you do both at once, you're going to get frustrated and then you're just going to give up. Okay, so if you're just a beginner, start off with one, try and make it work, let it run for a few, and once you start making some enough money and you have enough money to invest, you might want to create another campaign testing it out with bidvertiser.com. Okay, now for this you don't need a website. Basically you don't need a website. You could just go to Clickbank. You could just take the product, click the promote button, get the link and start promoting it. But I recommend that you don't just do direct linking, you drive traffic to a landing page. Very, very important. Okay, you drive traffic to a landing page because you want to build a list. Okay, I've been driving traffic using paid networks, and for me, instead of doing direct linking, landing page has been working out the best because I've been getting conversions from my lead system and from my email follow-ups. So I recommend you do landing page traffic instead of just doing direct linking. Okay, so this is what it's all about, how to promote Clickbank product without a website. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, you better subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button below. Always, I'm here to help you. If you have any questions, leave a comment for me. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated.